headed up to the mountains. We're almost at our cabin, and this is what we find. What do you think we're gonna do, Robert?
I normally bring my chainsaw. This time, because I brought so many other tools to do cabin repair, I did not bring my chainsaw in my truck. But I have a tow strap, and it looks like I can turn the truck around and then tow those large pieces out of the way, at least enough to drive through.
Oh, Lord, you're mad, right?
But I do have more room over here. Right.
Okay, now, forward. Yep, yep, yep. Good. Yep. Good. Well, that was a close call. What do you think about all that, Robert?
The one time I didn't bring my chainsaw, a tree falls through the road. Although I will say that is going to be a difficult cut because the trunk has a lot of tension on it. It's laying down on the road, so you're going to have to be careful that you don't cut it and then have it pop up or snap back or
Right.
pull down the road or some equally dangerous result. So
I was nervous. We had to give it it's very bumpy. We had to give it a couple tries, but we did it. And now who's ever up at Silver City is going to have to come down and figure that out.
yeah.
Yep.
I do have one more chainsaw at the cabin. We could come down and with some other people and clear it. 'Cause
But we learned
right
our
now
lesson.
It's not safe to drive by.
Right. Right. Not safe to drive by.
Don't try
for
this
sure.
at home.